What do you think of all that? Huh? You are just soaking wet. You are soaking wet. What are you doing, you crazy thing? Where you get it? Did you get him? Did you get it? Yeah, it's getting a little deep there. Oh, now you have to dry off. Oh, no, no. You're crazy. You're silly. You are a silly pup. You ready to go home? You ready to go home, dry off and have a bone? You want to go home and dry off and have a bone? You ready? Let's go. Say bye.